In a previous video, I showed you how to highlight the highest score on a leaderboard. So if this changes, like we have this, see it's highlighting it. So let's look at this highlight, and I'm going to show you how to do the second highest score. Up to Format, Conditional Formatting, and this is our custom formula. We've said B item in the B column is equal to the max of the B column. Well, to get second, we can't just add 2 here. That's actually a different formula called large. And now when we do large and we use the B column and we put the 2 there, we're looking at the second largest number. And if there's the same number here, it'll highlight 2 of them because it's looking at literally the same exact number and it's saying these are the second highest numbers. Just a little note there for you about duplicates. It's going to highlight both. And we can do third as well. If we just put a 3 here instead of a 2 as the second unit of this large formula. Hopefully you enjoyed that. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.